Ladies and gentlemen, once again, I welcome you to the next video. This time we're going to be looking at the count A function. So what's this function? What does it do? So unlike the count function in the previous video that we made, that only focuses on numeric values in given cells, the count A function counts each and everything which is found in a cell. Here it counts values which are numeric, count the values which are non-numeric. Those are like text values, the string symbols, and empty cells. So as long as you have selected a certain range of cells, it will count each and everything that belongs in that cell. So we are going to look at how that is done practically. So I have my values here in this worksheet, and what I'm going to do, I will have to select one of the cell. So in this case, I'm going to select F18. So after selecting that, then I go ahead and type the equal sign to tell Excel that I want to do a calculation. And now after I put the function name, which is count A, after putting that count A, I go and get the first value, which is the initial value, which is B16. I get B16. And then I'll go ahead and get the last value, and then the last value. So here I'm going put into emphasis where I'm going to focus on numeric values, the text values, the symbols, and empty cells. So here I'm going to go with this. So I'll go up to, okay, I can go up to this cell that is D21. So I'll go and say semicolon to represent the range. And then I go and type D, that is column D, and then row 21. Row 21. So when I do that, I will have to, I will leave some values. So instead of D21, I'm going to say D24, D24. 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 When I do like that, so I have to close the bracket. Now I have my formula and I have all the values selected. And when I press enter, I now see that I have 21 values. So how do I get 21? Of course, we said these values, we have 9 plus 9, we have 18. 18 plus this, that is 19, plus this 20 plus this 21. That's why I said the count A function ignores the empty cells. It will ignore that, and then after it will count each and every value within a cell, including the numeric values, text values, and symbols. Otherwise, that's how it is done. And I think it has been so helpful to you, and you can go and try it out and see how it's done. So let's catch up in the next video, guys. Thank you.